How to fix Instagram Gold Notes not showing. Well, the feature is newly launched on Instagram. If you want to use this feature, but the feature is not available on your account, then in this case, what you want to do is, first of all, you have to make sure that your application is up to date. Head over to your App Store or the Play Store. And then, in the search bar, search for Instagram. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. In this case, you have to click on update and update your app to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Inside settings, move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, head over to the application Instagram. Tap on Offload App. Once again click on Offload App. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and might fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. Once the app has been uploaded, now the next thing you want to do is check whether the feature is available or not. Head over to Instagram. Once you're in here, head over to your inbox section at the top right corner of the screen and then click on your note at the top left corner of the screen. Before you write anything in the notes, you have to make sure that the involvement of the word gold is available. So let me enter something like gold or diamond. And then tap on share at the top right corner. There you go, the gold feature has been applied successfully. Likewise, whenever you enter or type anything on the notes, make sure that the word gold is available. Then only this feature will be applied to you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Gold Notes feature not showing on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.